Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can bypass the new verification laws in the UK. In order to bypass this, you will need a VPN, and as you can see, I'm already inside Mulvad VPN. I will use this one because it's the best VPN out there. It's the most secure VPN with the most privacy. I wouldn't recommend like NordVPN or something that YouTubers recommend because or placements from YouTubers, because they don't usually are private. They share their personal infos with governments. Mulvad does not share personal infos with governments, so you're on the safe side here. You can pay anonymously if you want, and also it works on all platforms: Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, via a third party, and Android. So how you can set up Mulvad VPN: go to mulvad.net. I will give the link in the description and create a new account. So first you have to get the account number, so generate one like this, copy it, don't lose it, just copy the number or write it down on a letter actually, because you will need it for every login. Then you have to add time to your account, so $5 per month. You can add as much as you want. If you want to try it first, just buy 1 month for $5 or €5, or like £5, I guess. And yeah, then use that. So here it tells you again, copy your account number and store it in a safe place. For security reasons, we cannot show it again. So copy it, got it, and then just log in. So as you can see, I already have an account, and it's already, I already bought time for it till 2026. So you can buy as much as you want with cash, voucher, which is very privacy friendly, cryptocurrencies, credit or debit card, or other methods. So choose a method, buy time to your account, and then just go to the website, downloads, and download it on all your devices that you need it. Yeah, and also when you're done, you can connect here to if I was you, I would probably connect to Ireland because it's the closest to your country, but you can connect to whatever country you want. So just search a country. For me, I'm from Germany, so I always connect to Germany. And yeah, now what will happen is that every website on the internet will think that you are from Germany or Ireland, and if you connect to Ireland. So as you can see, I'm connected to Bonn right now. I'm not living there, but yeah, that's cool, and this will bypass the verification process for other websites, because they will not detect you as an UK citizen. So you can still access these websites without having to verify yourself. Or some websites, like smaller websites, just block your IP address if you're from the UK. So this will be fixed too. Yeah, I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, comment them. I will gladly answer them. Sorry for my bad English, by the way, but I hope you understood everything well, even though my English is ass. And yeah, I wish you a great day. What's Mulvad VPN? Mulvad is a privacy-focused VPN based in Sweden. Unlike many other VPNs, they don't ask you for your email address or personal info. You get a random account number, that's it. This makes it one of the most anonymous VPN available today. What are the key benefits of Mulvad? No personal data required, not even an email to sign up. Flat pricing, it's €5 per month. No tiers, no upselling. Strong encryption, it uses WireGuard and OpenVPN protocols. Audited regularly, transparency is a priority. No logs, they don't keep any usage records. And it accepts cash and crypto.